Hello friends, in this video we learn the basic concepts of geometric progression. So first of all we need to learn what is a geometric progression. A geometric progression is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first term is found by multiplying the previous one by a fixed non-zero number called common ratio. Now let's look at few examples of geometric progression. So we have this sequence. Here you can see that the first term is 3 and second term is obtained by multiplying the first term with 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48 and so on. So the first term is 3 and the common ratio is 2. Then we have the sequence. Here you can see that the first term is 7. Then 7 3s are 21, 21 3s are 63, 63 into 3 we get 189 and so on. So the first term is 7 and the common ratio is 3. Now let's look at few real life examples. Annual size of population that is growing or shrinking at a constant rate. And then we have value of money in an account that receives periodic fixed rate interest payments. Then we have concept of finite geometric progression and infinite geometric progression. If the number of terms in a geometric progression are fixed, then it is a finite geometric progression. Let's say we have the GP 2, 4, 8, 16. So we have fixed number of terms, that is 4 in this GP. So therefore this GP is a finite geometric progression. And let's say we have a geometric progression 3, 12, 48 and so on. So this GP has infinite number of terms. So therefore this type of GP is known as infinite geometric progression. Now let's learn some basic terminology. The first term of a GP is denoted by symbol A. The common ratio is denoted by symbol R. R is the common ratio which can be calculated by dividing any term by its previous term. R can be positive or negative integer, whole number, a fraction, or even an irrational number. The general form of a geometric progression is A, AR, AR square, AR cube, and so on. And the nth term of a GP is denoted by an and the nth term is AR raised to power n minus 1. We have used n minus 1 because AR raised to power 0 is the first term. Now let's move on to sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms is denoted by symbol Sn and the formula for sum of n terms is A multiplied by 1 minus R raised to power n divided by 1 minus R. And there can be a case where the number of terms are infinite, that is n is infinity. In that case sum of infinite terms would be A divided by 1 minus R. Now we are left with the concept of geometric mean. Let's say there are n terms. So the geometric mean of n terms would be nth root of product of all the n terms. For example, if we need to find the geometric mean of 2 and 18, we'll find out the square root of 2 multiplied by 18. Square root because the number of terms is 2. So we have square root of 18 multiplied by 2 is 36 and square root of 36 will be 6. So 6 is the geometric mean of 2 and 18. So in case there are 3 terms, we calculate cube root of product of 3 terms. That is how geometric mean is calculated. So that's it guys. So these are the basic concepts of geometric progression. I hope you understand all the basic concepts. Don't forget to check out this video on basic concepts of arithmetic progression. Videos based on nth term of GP and sum of GP are in the description below. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.